Yo, what up? It's your boy Windy City. We out here doing another installation video for you. Thanks for everybody who subscribe, recent subscribers. Do me one favor, give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Keep bringing this content to you. Let's get on with today's install. We're doing the King Tour Pack rack install for the 17 Road Glide. This is all in preparation for my Louisiana road trip that's coming up. At the beginning of August, going down to for the roundup, the bikers roundup. So trying to get everything prepared. Be my first long trip. So getting ready to pound it. See what that pound life is like. Let's get it started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the tour pack up. Excuse the mess. I do ride it pretty much daily. Looking inside the tour pack, they prepared us with four pre-hole drill slots. Got one here, 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 and here. Those holes should coincide with the tour pack rack. One rivet here, 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 and here. We're gonna go ahead and get this open for you guys. Looks pretty good. We went on ahead and went with the gloss black. Eventually everything that's not on the motor will be gloss black. Everything that's touching the motor will remain chrome. So those four holes that we got inside the tour pack will coincide and match up with these four holes here. We should have a good product installed after this. Let's get into it. Alright, we bike. Alright, now we have a little technical difficulties. Go ahead and use that 1/4 inch drill bit. Drill through these four marked holes. Perfect. We're gonna clean up our mess. Sweep all that out on the ground. We'll clean it up later. All right, so now we'll move on to mounting the actual rack on the tour pack. The shorter end up top goes to the front. I believe so. the other way. Alright, it's your boy Windy City. We back. Did the ultimate rookie mistake, but hey, I am a rookie with this recording. Forgot to hit the record button on the GoPro, but we did finish the install for the GoPro. We did finish the install for the Tour Pack rack mounts. Forgot to hit the record button, so I only have a finished product. You guys will get a little bit of the beginning, not so much at the end, but hey, it's on. We're getting better at this. Let you guys go ahead and take a look. We're one step closer to the roundup in Louisiana. We're 2 weeks away. So I can get out here and see what this real life road is about on this motorcycle. See how we can pound it, make this the best trip ever. Get out here and make these lasting memories. On to that, give you guys a look at the Tour Pack. Remember, give me a like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. We can keep more coming to you. Also, write in the comments, give me your opinion on how the Tour Pack looks. All right, we're out here. We got 2017 Road Glide Special. Hey, forgot to tell you guys, I did put that stock wheel back on. It hurt my soul, but I had to go ahead and do it. Got to be safe for the trip. The 21 had a dent in it from last season. I was getting away with it as much as possible, but it's about time to do the right thing, move on. We're on to something better and new at that time. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the, show you guys the Tour Pack rack mount. It came out looking good. It's my self-made Road Glide Ultra. Tour Pack mount came out looking good. Man, there's just something about this denim black, man, that makes my quote-unquote Road Glide Ultra such a nice ass bike, man. It gives it a young man touch. It's just something about this color, man. It's great. But like I said, the route we're gonna go with this bike would be, we're gonna black out everything here that's not on the engine. Bars, everything up top will be black. Turn signals, we're gonna go black with that. I think we're gonna go black with the chrome fork lowers and uppers, and we're gonna leave everything attached to the engine chrome. Kind of go with the denim and chrome thing. Give me your opinion in the comments. Give me a couple yays or nays on some of the opinions I put out there on what I want to do with the bike. I'm open for suggestions. Let me know what you guys think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys on the flip side. Be safe out there.